Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss about agentic framework, most common and popular agentic framework LangChain and LangGraph, and I will talk about mostly about this repo, how you can start it, and where you have to use LangChain and where you have to use LangGraph. That I will talk. And that is scope of this video, and next video I will talk about example where you can create a basic tiny agent with LangChain and LangGraph. That also I will talk about in the another video, but yeah, okay. So we'll start with LangChain today. So LangChain is a agentic framework that can power LLM applications, and so basic features is that one with this is that uh, any of agentic framework you want to use, that should be come with these features that would be good. One is that is model interoperability. So model interoperability meaning here, if you want to use your on prime model, you are deploying any model. If you want to use that model in your agentic framework, that is one thing. Second is if you want to go online, any enterprises API that can be pluggable. So both ones. Third is very important that you want to switch model. So there are many serving technique. One is the popular serving technique is Olama serving technique. Second popular is like VLM. The many serving technique is there. So which whatever serving technique used, that also support by this framework. For example, you want to support with Olama, then you do Olama pull and serve, you will get a endpoint, then easily be here that endpoint should be easily programmable. And if you just change your model name, then framework should accept that model name. So if you want to operate different model, it should accept different models. That would be good. That called as a model operability. There you want to change any models, experiment with different models also, so you can easily operate different models. That would be a model operability. Second is how easily you can plug it. So how can build, how you want to easy to create your small applications also. For example, you have big container but you need a small thing, you want to prototype it, how it's create friction to use it. So it's very easy to use it. You can build your rapid prototype with the LangChain itself and LangGraph itself also. But both LangChain and LangGraph where to be used, I will that also come to this point also. Second is not only for prototype and rapid prototype. If you want to go for production level enterprises, agentic framework you want to build, you can do it enterprises level also. So and anyway, that should be supportable by community. So you know this very big star repo, 20k. So the big star repo and community is very vibrant. So vibrant community will get, you can get ecosystem of integration, different template. So if you want to integrate it with the different MCP server, yeah, different kind of tools, yeah, different things. So already open source MCP server for different applications is available. You have to integrate that, then it's very easily pluggable. So LangChain is the baseline for that one. So that's why LangChain is more popular, like it's adapt easily. So That all thing, I think LangChain make your life very easy for start any LLM power applications. Another is called as a LangGraph. So if we talk about LangGraph, then okay. So first I will talk about what is chain here and what is graph here. Okay. So we'll take a basic example. This is all thing I will talk about. Like this is the basic LangChain and LangGraph. So here, how any if you interact with an LLM, then what should you do? If you interact your LLM, then you write a prompt. That prompt goes to LLM, and you will get a structure output. So the smaller chain for any task is input would be a prompt. It will go to the LLM. You will get a structured output, that is one chain. So how this LangChain manage this chain, that called, so you can create a big chain kind of thing using this LangChain. That's why it's name taken as a chain. So this is the LangChain framework. I'll talk in technical term also in the another video where I will share with these of practical example of this one, so in the next video. But yeah, keep it high level for this one LangChain. Next I will go for LangGraph. Okay, whenever you have mind here, like whenever I talk about graph, then what you thought about that? Okay, there's something is a graph means some node is there, as is there, you connect to node, connect the adjacent node, building complete a graph structure similar way. What is the advantage of the node? You can share any state to across the node. So like graph features, you want to use it, that graph feature help to manage your cycle, right? Want to build a small finite machine, like state machine, right? If a finite state machines, like I will give one example in traffic signal, like red, blue, red, green, and orange. So red means you have to stop, other side red and other side green. So other side green guys will go pass across the road, and but red should be stay. So this is how the finite state machine will work, similar like traffic red signal. State should be maintained for other also. This state is there, then what should go for the next? So these things happening. So state means here a shared memory object that flow to the graph node. So that happening in the LangGraph, where you want to build a multi agentic system with stateful, where you have to go with LangGraph. There are multi-agent talking. There's the object of the memory state also need to be shared. That also always matter. Anyway, LangChain also you can build it, but inherently not support. Inherently, you can write something for that. You can build with this with chain also, but you need to write a lot of things. But inherently, LangGraph support all things, right? So that is advantage of LangGraph. We'll talk in the example also where how LangGraph help you better than if you have a big multi-agentic system you want to build it. So it's about basic about LangChain and LangGraph. In the next videos I will talk about build a very basic agent with the LangChain and LangGraph. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.